Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox something I bought from Amazon. So this is not unboxing. This is again unwrapping. So this is our product today. This is a mobile pouch for two-wheelers. The brand name is Yumin, and if you can see that, you can insert your mobile device here in this compartment like this. Let me take the card. Yeah. So I have seen many people using these mobile holders and such bags in their bikes, especially these people in Swiggy, working with Swiggy and other delivery apps, and some of my friends also use that. What they use is normally they have a stand or something which is projecting, which with a clip where you can put your mobile and clip it. That sometimes fails because the clip fails and the mobile falls off. So a pouch like this is always good. So this is waterproof also, so you can use it in rainy seasons. And the most important thing is, like, you are not like any other bags or holders that you're using for the bike. This is having a buckling system. So if you have any Scooty or Active or anything like that, you can just do it above your meter, so it will be sitting there safely. So yeah, that was our product for today. Yumin mobile pouch for two-wheelers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.